In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Facebook ads of competitors. Navigating the competitive landscape of digital marketing can sometimes feel like trying to find your way through a complex maze. However, one tool that has proven to be immensely valuable for marketers and businesses alike is the ability to explore the Facebook ads your competitors are running. Whether you're looking to gain inspiration, understand market trends, or refine your own advertising strategies, the insights you can gather are invaluable. Today, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First and foremost, we'll need to access the Facebook Business Manager. For those who are not familiar, Facebook Business Manager is a tool that allows you to manage your Facebook pages, ad accounts, and other business assets in one place. If you've yet to set up your Business Manager, I highly recommend doing so, as it's integral to navigating Facebook's business tools, including the ad library, which we'll be delving into shortly. Once you've navigated to Facebook Business Manager, the next step will be to log in with your Facebook account. This step should be straightforward. Just click on Log in with Facebook and choose the account you want to proceed with. If you manage multiple Facebook accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your business or the one you use for managing ads. Having logged in, it's time to dive into the real goldmine of information: the Facebook ad library. You can navigate directly to it by visiting the Facebook ad library page. This repository is a public tool that Facebook provides, giving you a transparent view of ads being run across Facebook's platforms, including Instagram. Once in the ad library, look for the option to click on Meta Ad Library. It's important not to confuse this with general searches. Meta Ad Library is where you'll find the database of ads. The next pivotal step is to refine what you're looking for by clicking on Ad Category. Typically, this category might default to political and issue ads, but since you're researching competitive ads, you'll want to change this to all ads. This selection ensures you're searching through the widest possible range of advertisements, from consumer goods to tech services and everything in between. Having made this selection, you're now ready to enter the name of the competitor whose ads you wish to explore. In the search bar, type in your competitor's name accurately. As you type, suggestions might appear if the entity is well recognized within the Facebook advertising ecosystem. Selecting the correct entity is crucial to ensure you're viewing the right ads. Upon finding and selecting your competitor, you will be greeted with a library of their active and, in some cases, inactive advertisements. Here you can browse through various campaign materials, from image and video ads to carousel and stories formats. Each ad will display valuable information such as the range of dates the ad has been running, which can give you insights into the duration of specific campaigns. As you explore these ads, I encourage you to take notes on several aspects. Look at the messaging. How is it crafted? What emotions does it evoke? Observe the visuals. What colors and imagery are chosen? And why do you think they were selected? And importantly, consider the calls to action. How are these ads designed to drive engagement, clicks, or sales? These observations can spark ideas for your own campaigns, highlight trends you might not have been aware of, and even help you identify areas where your competitors may not be focusing. It's important to approach this exploration with a strategic mind. While it's beneficial to draw inspiration and insights from your competitors, your goal should be to understand how you can differentiate your brand and offerings. Imitation might be the sincerest form of flattery, but in the world of digital marketing, authenticity and unique value propositions win the day. And one last tip: make regular visits to the ad library part of your competitive research routine. The landscape of digital advertising is fast-paced, with campaigns being updated, refined, or replaced continuously. Staying informed of these changes can keep you one step ahead in your marketing strategies. So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to exploring your competitors' Facebook ads through the ad library. By leveraging this tool effectively, you can gain a wealth of knowledge that informs your advertising approaches, enhances your marketing plans, and ultimately supports your business goals. Happy researching, and may your insights lead to impactful and successful campaigns.